Hello everybody, real quick before the video starts, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn that notification bell on because it really helps me out and it gets you guys to see my videos every Monday and every Thursday. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Hello everybody, welcome to the video. I have a package here today that I want to unbox for you guys. It's from a company called Fifine Technology. So let's go ahead to the unboxing studio and let's do our thing. Alright, so let's go ahead and just open this here up. Make sure we're being careful. Take this here out. Just toss this out of the way. Now that there's styrofoam everywhere, that's totally fine. So, this is the box it comes in. It's the Fifine Technology. I'll show you guys what's inside. Go ahead and, oh, looks like there's something I have to go ahead and open up here. Go ahead and do that nice and carefully. Okay. Let's go ahead and open her up for you guys. Okay. So it looks like it comes with this insert here. It says company website and gives you their website. It shows their social media handles there and their contact email. It's on the back here. Okay, and then there's just a thing saying, thank you for being a valued customer. It shows you a product demonstration if you want to know how to use it on their website. And you can get a 2-year warranty. Okay, yeah, nice. Put that to the side. So the product that it is a Fifine Technology K669-K669B. This is the user guide. There's a lot of foam, jeez. So it just has your user manual on how to use it and everything like that, how to set it up. Cool, cool, cool. Nice feature. Alright, just another piece of foam. Okay, let's go ahead and bring her out here. So it looks like these are the cables here. This looks like the stand. Nice, nice. Let's go ahead and bring her out. Okay. So here she is. Nice. It's got a nice like matte finish on it. Looks like it's got a volume control here. I'm assuming that's for the gain that typical microphone has. Okay, nice, nice. Let's see if I can put it together without reading the instructions. Might have to speed this part up. Let's go ahead and put this stuff over here. Let's get the knife back out here, or the letter opener. There we go. This is the stand it comes with. It's not plastic, it's nice and metal here. Looks like it has a lot of different angles you can put it at. If I can get it to work correctly. Okay, let's go ahead and put it in this tripod position. Alright. And then let's take the microphone here. Let's go ahead and put it on the top. Actually, I'll just do this. Just twist it like this. Pull the tripod and twist it. Just like that. Make sure it's nice and tight. Okay. Go put it back in that tripod position. Okay. Readjust it so it looks normal here. Okay. Just put it in this position. Just lock it in place. Alright, so now that we have the microphone all set up and ready to go here, it looks like it is a USB microphone. It's a little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be, but that doesn't mean it's not a good quality. That's something that we're definitely going to check out here in a second. So let's go ahead and get her all plugged in. Alright, now that it's all plugged in, I want to show you guys just a little bit of the quality here. I'm going to bring it close to the camera. So, as you see, it has a nice matte finish on it. You can see the microphone there and the condenser. It is a cardioid microphone, so you only will be able to talk into this section of the microphone itself. Some microphones, like the HyperX Quadcast that I'm using right now, has different channels of microphone audio that you can use. You can use these different features where it's all the way around. You can do it from the front and the back, but this specific microphone is just for the front, for the cardioid, which isn't a bad thing if you're looking to use this for things like streaming on Twitch, on Mixer, just recording YouTube videos, because I only use the cardioid feature usually on the microphone I use currently anyways. So for only $40, I forgot to mention that this is only a $40 microphone. It's a really good pickup so far from what I'm seeing. Let's go ahead and get into the mic test to see if it continues to do well. So before we do that, I just want to show it's just this just tightens and locks the position of the microphone. You can loosen it here. See, as it dripped down, you can do whatever type of angle that you want there. And also you can tighten it right here, which is pretty cool. And then it has this tripod that you can adjust the different heights and angles that you want to do. If you want to make it a little bit higher, you can squeeze it a little bit, or if you want to make it lower, or you can go ahead and spread her out. So that's definitely something you can do. So let's go ahead and get into the mic comparison. Before we move on, I just want to mention that the Fifine microphone, you can rotate it on the stand here. It gives you the option to rotate it as well. So I just wanted to let you guys know that, so I didn't leave out the feature that Fifine has for this specific microphone. Alright, so this is the Fifine K669B microphone that I'm speaking into currently. I'm talking at a normal volume at a medium gain on the high end for the Fifine microphone. So let's go ahead and move on to the HyperX Quadcast. Okay, this is the HyperX Quadcast at a medium high gain, talking at a normal volume. This is a test for the HyperX Quadcast. Let's move on to the next portion of the test. Alright, so I'm going to continue to do the test here. So I'm going to turn up the volume all the way, or the gain control on the Fifine mic right now. That's what I'm currently speaking into. I turned it all the way up, so this is at max volume, talking at a normal talking volume when you speak either on a podcast or on Twitch or on Mixer. So this is at max volume for the Fifine microphone. Let's go ahead and move over to the HyperX Quadcast. Alright, so this is the HyperX Quadcast at max gain currently. This is the HyperX Quadcast at the max gain. So let's go ahead and listen back on that, and then I'll cut it to the next clip here. Alright, so the rest of the video I'm going to be talking through the Fifine K669B for you guys. So I'm just going to give you my little thoughts that I have on it. So it is a little bit a smaller microphone compared to my HyperX Quadcast, but that didn't suffer the quality. Yes, there's a lot more reverb when it comes to this specific microphone, but the price difference definitely makes up for that, because this is a $140 microphone and this is a $40 microphone that you can get on Amazon, and the link will be down in the description below if you guys want to check this specific microphone out. But yeah, for the price, this definitely blew me out of the water. I really was expecting something a little bit cheaper in quality. The build quality is a lot better than what I expected, and the sound quality as well is a lot better than what I expected as well. So yeah, if you made it to the end of the video, I have a little surprise for you guys. Fifine's actually letting me give this microphone away to one of my subscribers, so long as they go down in the description below and follow the details on how to enter. Feel free to do that if you want this microphone for free. I really appreciate if you guys go ahead and hit subscribe, because I release new videos every Monday and every Thursday that you guys won't want to miss. Really appreciate you guys, and you guys stay golden. Bye-bye.